Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now find and pick wallpaper, it's right here, and then pick the album from which you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be some from your local photos or one from those categories, so you can pick plant, lifestyle, animal, creative, scenery, or so on. If you click on find more, you will be able to check some more online wallpapers. As you can see here, you can check the categories, you can enter some word, for example, if you'd like to blue wallpaper, you can enter it, and then it will search for wallpaper connected with blue word. But let me go back. So you can pick one from those photos. This is how they will look like on both home screen and lock screen, and then you just have to pick the one that you would like to apply as your home screen. Obviously you can change the category, so if you'd like to have some super quote on your wallpaper, this is it. And let me choose, for example, this one, then just click on apply. You can also make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you, but I will leave it this way, then tap on apply. And the last step is to pick if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen, or maybe both of them, and I will pick both. And as you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. Here it is. So that will be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.